Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor and this does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. You are fully responsible for your own investments. Alright, so imagine this. What if your phone could actually power artificial intelligence? Like, no, just use AI, but actually help run it. Well, that's exactly what today's project is aiming to do. It's called Exa Protocol, and they're building what they call the world's first mobile powered AI cloud. Sounds wild, right? So, in this video, I'm breaking it all down: what Exa Protocol is, how it works, and why it may change how we think about cloud computing. Let's jump in. So, here is the thing. Right now, the cloud and AI world are super centralized. We're talking about companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft. They own the most of the infrastructure that powers the internet. That means that limited access, high costs, and well, not much decentralizing. And with AI becoming more demanding, needing tons of CPUs and power, we're hitting both links. Exa Protocol wants to flip that model. Instead of relying on massive data centers, it's connect everyday device, phone, PCs, even CPU into a distributed cloud network. Basically, you contribute your device's power, and in return, the network gets stronger. Simple but kind of revolutionary. So, yeah, Exa Protocol is basically this decentralized ecosystem with too many parts. Exa Compute and Device. Exa Compute is where all the computing happens. It's a network of CPUs and CPUs that can handle AI, machine learning, or data heavy tasks. Drive is centralized storage. Think of it like Google Drive but built on Web3 backbone, powered by mobile devices and nodes. Together, they create this mobile first cloud that's fast, scale up, and actually decentralized. Now, let's go through some of the features and makes it stand out. Web 2 speeds. The drive system uses a content delivery network that's a CDN, so your files load as fast as you would expect from regular cloud storage. VM access. Via SSH, you can actually access virtual machines in the network directly, like your own mini server in the cloud. CPU access, perfect for AI developers who need scalable CPU power. Static website hosting. You can host your own static site, HTML, CSS, JS, right on their centralized drive. Developer SDQs. Super friendly for dev. You can integrate exa tools without learning complicated blockchain stuff. So yeah, it's trying to bridge Web 2 usability with Web 3 infrastructure. Alright, let's talk about how it actually looks. When you open the Exa protocol dashboard, it's clean, very Web 2 style. You can see your nodes, your connected wallet, and your system data. If you're on Exa Compute, you will see things like CPU or CPU usage, uptime, and XIP reward for when your machine executes tasks. If you're on Drive, it feels just like a regular file manager. Folders, uploads, drag and drop, really familiar interface. So the token behind the ecosystem is called XIP. Now, just to be clear, it isn't financial advice. XIP is simply a utility token that powers the network. You earn it by contributing resources like if your machine runs compute tasks, and it's used to pay for service like storage or computing. Their token generation event, or TGE, was scheduled for September 1, 2025, which officially launched the token side of the ecosystem. They've been building this thing for a while. It's not a brand new concept. Started back in 2021 with their wallpaper release. In 2023, they launched the Drive testnet. In 2024, the Exacompute testnet come online. In 2025, token release and Darwin testnet coming soon. In 2026, they're planning the full main launch. And speaking of Darwin, that's their next gen layer 1 blockchain. It's mobile first, infinity scalable, and even supports wallet to wallet messaging. So yeah, they're think long term. The white paper dives deep into how X aims to combine compute storage and blockchain into one infinite ecosystem. The Darwin Layer 1 is built to run natively on mobile device, so transaction can be available without needing a full computer. They even took inspiration from Charles Darwin's evolution and adaptability to design a system that scales automatically as more devices join the network. It's ambitious, but definitely an interesting direction for the next era of decentralized computing. So yeah, Exa protocol is a big idea bringing decentralizing compute and storage to a mobile first world. If it works and intended, it could make AI and cloud computing way more accessible. But of course, this is all still early tech, something to keep an eye on, especially as they move toward their maintain in 2026. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech explainer, and let me know if the comments which project you want me to cover next. Oh, and if you wanna explore it yourself, head to exaprotocol.com. All the links are below. Alright, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.